Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble Pie Face Cannon and another way to play it. So this is all the things we need. We have the spinner. If your spinner doesn't come like this, if it's taken apart, then put it back together, please. Now let's first assemble the cannon, which is my favorite part. So this is the main thing to remember. There's a big hole and a small hole. And just like that, there's a big hole and a small hole. So you need to press the big hole in like this, and then the small hole is going to slide in. It can take a few moments, but it eventually slides in. Now we're going to attach the wheels. Those are just for fun, although it would have been better if it could roll. Now let's move on to this part. So I'm going to attach the hand, which goes like this. Now I'm going to attach this and the chin popper. Okay, now I'm going to attach this. So first I want to do this, like attach it. If you think it's gonna go this way, no, it's gonna go this way. And I'm gonna attach this under, so it's like this. Now here's for the normal way. If you can use whipping cream or ketchup for this part, but in my opinion, it gets too messy when we use the other side. And there we go. So this is how they do it. You slide it up and down. But for what I'm going to do, you sadly don't need the cannon. Well, let's put that to the side. You're just going to need a few things. I'm going to get them in just a second. Okay, so this is what you're going to need for the other game. Well, at least what I'm using. A pencil, piece of paper, I have this stuffed ball, and from a foam sheet I cut some small squares as tokens. I'm going to put those to the side. Okay, so now what you basically do is you take this, now make an R. For the other player, I'm going to use my mom, so I'm going to put an N. And for me, an S. Just like this. R is for round. Now I'm gonna make lines for that. So we're gonna do out of 5, but you can do what you wish. Let's have 4 rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. This is how your score sheet's gonna look like. Okay, so how exactly do you play? Well, I knew you were gonna say that. I'm gonna put that foam sheet to the side. So
you gonna play alone?
No. So my mom at the recording is gonna throw stuff at me after she spins. Here, have your spin.
It's 2.
Okay, so
Blue.
On blue, and then line it up and bring it forward. Try to hit me. I'm not gonna go. Yes! It's on this. Okay, so I get 1 token because I won that round. Try again. Whoa. You got 3.
Blue.
Go.
I'm sure this will. Yay!
Oh, come on. You got a token. Spin again.
It's again 3.
Red.
On red. Okay.
I'm going to do my famous trick.
Yay!
It didn't come. It actually bounced off. Got a token. Here, go.
It's 1 on blue. Probably I will do this time. Yes.
Here. And the last and final round.
1. That's good. On blue again.
I'm not gonna let you win this time. Yes! Sadly, you only got 2/5. Where's the pencil?
It's
There. 2/5. So that's how you play my version of Pie Face Cannon. You can go ahead and try this since it's much neater and very less messier. And it's better in a lot of ways from involving your face not getting dirty. So you can share your experience in the comments and a way you did this game. Thank you for watching.